How to make streaming Disney Plus easier using keyboard shortcuts. Make using Disney Plus a bit easier to navigate on your computer by integrating some keyboard shortcuts into your viewing experience. These shortcuts help make selecting movies as well as playing and pausing your shows quicker and more efficient. Although the keyboard shortcuts for Disney Plus are few and far between, they're still rather helpful once you've started your movie. After you've selected what you're watching and you've hit play, there are a few simple keyboard shortcuts you can use while the show is playing. These shortcuts are the ones you can use to control your movie with just your keyboard. Other shortcuts are useful if you need a way to select your shows without using your mouse. Press the Tab button to go through and select options such as Home, Search, Watchlist, etc. on the top of your Disney Plus home screen. Once you have your desired item highlighted, press the Enter button to go to that section of the site. Once in that section of the website, you will be able to press Tab again until you get to your desired movie or TV show. When you have that item highlighted, press Enter to open that selection. Now that you have your movie opened, press the Tab button until you have the Play option highlighted. Then press Enter to start your movie. This also works on tabs like Watchlist or Movies, but when it comes to searching for your favorite movie or show, you won't be able to use the Tab button to select it. So, if you need to search for something, you'll have to use your keyboard and mouse for that. With these keyboard shortcuts, watching movies will be easier than before. Just a few simple buttons will get you to the content you want to watch and help you quickly pause, fast forward, or rewind your favorite movies. Whatever you need these shortcuts for, you'll be able to enjoy everything that Disney Plus has to offer. Text source: howtogeek.com